Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Fix. This is going to be a short video on this Biasi. But what's happening here, they've got hot water but you just can't get the central heating on. And to be honest with you, there's nothing wrong with the boiler, you just can't get the clock, you can't get the clock settings on it. Oh boys, be careful. No. Alright, let's see if it works first. Let's put the temperature up.
I tried that yesterday and
Right.
it clicks on to say it's fired.
Okay, so that one's clicked on, it's fired up. Yeah. Let's go back to the boiler.
So I did obviously melt it.
Right, if you see, you got to switch that on. It's in an off position, press that button, put it on. Sorry. So try and put that one on constantly on. That's off. And that's on. Right, I got the room starter activated, but you got to put this in constant now. To put this in constant, you got to put that red lever down to timer, and then the H will display, and then you can press the on and off button to put the heating on constant. And then after that, you can just control it from your room start. Okay. Right. Oh, you need to cover that because you're going to lose a lot of heat up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so you could do it, I think 27 for now. Warm your house up. Right. That was on. That was sending a signal. Yeah. But you know the clock over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was in an off position.
I'm pressing buttons to try and make it start.
Yeah. If you're right. I made a film on it anyway. Right. Right. Red one. And then on, off. It's got to say on there, okay? Alright, 1 second. Let me just do this. This is business, isn't it? So guys, I've just I didn't really repair this boiler, just got to put the clock on and sort it out for him. So it's all working fine. The hot water's working fine, but the heating wasn't. So I just set it up for him. That's working alright. So if your boiler's broken down, Birmingham, South Birmingham, give me a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right. If you want to give me a review, you can. Well, if you like, you can. Right, guys, my friend here just like to give me a review.
Good. I called out this morning, he's been to fix it and he's done a great job straight away. Pity stupid bloke like me had to come and fix it for me. No. Really good.
Thank you.
Excellent.
We didn't have to change any parts, so it's all sorted for them. Hopefully that's it. Thank you very much.